The world is in the grip of an energy crisis. Especially in Europe, businesses and consumers are struggling with energy prices that have risen sharply since mid-2021. The run-up in prices began as the global economy reopened from COVID lockdowns. In 2022, Russia's near cessation of natural gas exports to Europe caused a further spike, triggering higher inflation, weaker growth, and greater deprivation. In response, many countries are taking emergency steps, such as unprecedented subsidies and ramping up coal-fired production. But what does this crisis mean for the transition towards clean energy sources such as wind and solar? At Citi Global Wealth Investments, we see the case for moving towards renewable energy as having become even more compelling. Europe's dependence on Russian gas is undermining growth while complicating its response to the war in Ukraine. Generating cost-efficient, clean energy locally can help mitigate these vulnerabilities, strengthening both economic and national security. Above all, the transition is vital to cutting the carbon emissions that are contributing to climate change. We therefore expect an even greater drive in Europe and beyond to move towards renewable energy. Over the coming few years, for example, global renewable electricity capacity is projected to almost double from 2021 levels. Amid this ongoing transition, we believe there will be further opportunities for investors. Accelerating the transition to clean energy will involve a wide variety of companies. These include specialists in renewable energy technology, energy storage, electric vehicles and heat pumps, sustainable materials and carbon capture. Since 2021, the publicly traded green infrastructure sector has sold off, underperforming infrastructure investments more generally. Looking further ahead, however, we believe green infrastructure can generate portfolio returns as well as sustainable power. In the meantime, we recognize that liquid natural gas can serve as a transition fuel. New and existing supplies of this fossil fuel will be key to helping meet European needs, representing another kind of opportunity for investors. In the long term, clean energy can be more secure energy. Is your portfolio wired for the transition?